Hi guys, I'm Mahi. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are gonna talk about some really cool graphic t-shirts that I got from Amazon, and all of these are super affordable and super fun. Like, it is gonna give you a new personality. Like, hello, it has given me one, but no, this is so cute. Like, this is the first example of the kind of t-shirts we're gonna talk about today. Like, this one has such cute embroidery on it, and it just reminds me of that Y2K Barbie era. बात करते करते मैंने कर दी है पहली t-shirt के बारे में बात. That this is our first t-shirt, the one that I'm wearing. Like, it's so cute, you guys. The second t-shirt that I have with me, ये काफ़ी तुम्हें simple लग रही होगी आगे से. But if you are my fellow gossip girl, you're gonna love this t-shirt. Look at the bag, it's Serena and Blair, you guys. It's so cute. And it said, whoever said that money doesn't buy happiness didn't know where to shop. And that is so true, to be honest. Like, look at the back of this t-shirt. It's so cool. And the quality is really good. Like, जो mostly मैंने t-shirts order करी है ना, वो the sold store से है, and it's completely made in India, and it's so cool. Like, all these designs are so cool. I think कुछ t-shirts बेवकूफ़ brand से है, हम सब की तरह. But no, both these brands make really quirky t-shirts, and I'm just glad that Amazon पे काफ़ी अच्छे डिस्काउंट में मिल रही है ये. So yeah, this is our second t-shirt. This is for all my Gossip Girl fans, and it's just so cute. Like, it says SNB, Spotted, The Non-Judging, Breakfast Club, Lonely Boy, Golden Boy, It Girl, Queen Bee. It's so cool. Next t-shirt that I have is in this really cute blue color, and this is from their Tom and Jerry wala collection, and it's Jerry as an angel, and it says angelic disaster. Again, this is so cute, and honestly I just wanted to upgrade my t-shirts for gym and just casual wear, and I think these are the perfect option क्योंकि इनका फैब्रिक एकदम प्योर कॉटन है और बहुत ही मस्त, सब में से क्वर्की से प्रिंट है. Like, look at this one is again so cute. You can see how it looks. कुछ t-shirts, like mostly जो मैंने t-shirts order करी है वो oversized ही है, but some of them are super fitted and some of them are like regular fitted, so you can see the try on as well. But yeah, this is our next t-shirt with like Jerry on it, and it's so cute. Next t-shirt is also from the Disney collection, and it has like जैसे चारकोल से तुमने कुछ पेंट किया हो उस तरह का मिकी का फेस है, and on the back it's something like this. It's like the Mickey giving them the वो म्यूज़िक में जो directions देते हैं. But yeah, this is how it is, and it again is super nostalgic and super cute, and it says timeless classic, which it is. I feel, I mean, that's what Mickey Mouse is. आज की वीडियो में it's not a proper review video as per, because सब कुछ मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा है. टी शर्ट ऐसी नहीं लगी मुझे कि मैं रिटर्न कर देती हूँ, because like colors are also nice. Like, mostly मैंने black and white ही मंगवाई है, but there are some summer colors also, you will see. But yeah, this is again super nostalgic and cute. I love this. Next t-shirt that I have is a very fitted one actually. Like, इसकी side में भी आप देखो ruched detailing है, and it's so cute. Like, look at this. इस पे जो सारी cats है, like a bunch of cats, they are embroidered, and I love it. Like, I can't wait to wear it with like इसको थोड़ा fancy बनाने के लिए I can wear it with like a ruffle skirt or like a maxi skirt also. So it's gonna give you like a very vacation wala vibe, but it's just a normal t-shirt on the top, but with a bunch of cats on it. Like, hello, it's so cute. I just need to iron it. But yeah, as you can see, इसका size ही एकदम fitted मुझे आने वाला है. It's not your oversized fit t-shirt, but again very cute for summers. Next t-shirt that I have is again for my Netflix babies. This is the Luke's Diner t-shirt. I mean, please नीचे pause करो वीडियो और comment करो कि Gilmore Girls किसका comfort show है. Like, I love that show a lot. My sister used to watch it together, and it just gives you very cozy wala feeling, and I love when I saw this t-shirt. Now it's about Luke's Diner. Again, I think all these t-shirts are very like core audience होगा उनका, वो उनको बहुत अच्छी लगेगी. But जो फैब्रिक भी है दैट इज़ ऑल्सो रियली नाइस. इट्स सो स्मार्ट लुकिंग विद द मरून बॉर्डर एंड द टेक्स्ट मैचिंग टू इट. इट्स जस्ट सो क्यूट. आई लव इट गाइज. लाइक आई डिड नॉट एक्सपेक्ट कि सब टी शर्ट्स का फैब्रिक इतना ही अच्छा होगा, बट because sometimes in the same brand also you do not see consistency, but this one has the consistency. Like fabric is amazing, very comfortable. Okay, next t-shirt that we have, and it's the last t-shirt, I promise. Then I have one more thing that I want to show you is this is so funny. I found this very funny. Like I have mixed drinks about feelings, and then it's like a cocktail printed on it, and उस पर भी एम्ब्रॉयडरी हुआ हुआ है, इफ़ यू कैन सी. एंड इट्स बटर येलो, यू गाइज. बटर येलो इज़ वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट कलर्स, एंड दिस इज़ लाइक एक्चुअली वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट्स. सुपर क्यूट. एंड पीछे से सीख सकते हो आप, बिल्कुल प्लेन है ये. एंड इस पर एम्ब्रॉयडरी बहुत थोड़ा सा है. इट्स लाइक दे ट्राई टू शो आइस. आई एम सो हैप्पी दैट आई फाउंड दीज टी शर्ट्स. लाइक सब कुछ बहुत अच्छे प्राइस में अवेलेबल है, एंड एवरी थिंग इज मैंशनड इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स बिलो. यू कैन सी द ट्राई ऑन एंड एवरी थिंग. ओके, लास्ट थिंग इन दिस वीडियो दैट आई वांट टू शो यू आर एक्चुअली these shorts. These are cotton shorts, by the way, so in case you love lounging in shorts in summer, go for this one. It's checkered print short. अच्छे से try on मैं दे दूँगी. एंड इस पर ना pineapple और watermelon एकदम embroidery हुआ है, so it's just giving perfect summer vibe. And this looks such a cute set साथ में पहन के भी. Like I love how it looks. It's super cute, nostalgic. I feel like a true 90s baby. Like okay, this is the uniform and like a little shoulder bag, and we are good to go. Gloss, but I have already applied gloss so covered on that part. But yeah, this is my uniform for today. But let me know what you think, and which one was your favorite t-shirt. नीचे comment में ज़रूर बताना मुझे. And Amazon से हम और क्या try कर सकते हैं, because I do work with Amazon and I do make a lot of videos, and every month I give you Amazon recommendations. So I would love to know it from you कि तुम क्या देखना चाहते हो Amazon से fashion and beauty category में. Let me know in the comments, and yeah, happy shopping. I'll see you guys super soon in my next video. Make sure that you subscribe, okay, and like and all the good things.